Morning, everybody. 9:24:34, Tuesday, May 21st. This is the drawing for the beautiful raw Spider-Man 300. Over here, the 20 filled spots. I have a bunch of appointments broken up throughout the day that I don't know how much time I'm going to have to get back here in front of a computer and get any of these things done. So this may be the only one. Depending on how quick my 10:30 appointment is, I'll see if I can do something before my 1:30 appointment. Okay, so this may be it. So again, it's a good one. Number is 15. Going to randomize 15 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It will go out in today's mail. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes the final one. 15, spot 17, Joe Forte. Congratulations. Time is 9:25:42.